I was sent this set of washing machine pliers. Now, this is a very specific tool for a situation like that. So on your washing machine, you've got hoses that typically have this edging around it for you to be able to grab it on with a pair of pliers. Well, this is a pair that's dedicated for those types of hoses. And it's going to clamp right onto that thing and not let go. So you're going to get a nice, even push or pull to loosen or tighten that washer hose with no doubt. So it's going to fit on there real nice. It's a really good set. It just feels nice. The metal feels like it's well put together. This is riveted here, so it's not going to loosen up on you. It's got the rubber coated handles, hand grips here. This is the kind of tool that's going to last you a long time. And if you're doing installs of appliances, this would be super handy to have. Let's give it a try on my washing machine. We'll see how it works. Here we are looking in my washing machine here. Got my valves in the back. And because this is offset, you're able to even get in like this, where there's a really tight spot here. But I can grab right a hold of that fitting on there and loosen that using this set of pliers. So really works great. Here on the other side as well, grab right on there. So you need that flexibility when you're trying to turn these things to be able to get on there, and having this built the way it is with that offset edge on it here works out really well for that. And it's the right size for those oversized fittings that they typically use onto those ports where your water is coming from for your washer and dryer. So hey, I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this set of washing machine hose pliers. Hope this information has been useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.